Good afternoon from Power Wash Store of Central PA. We've got some projects going on in the shop here. We're taking some skids and making them great again. This little guy was brought into us a couple weeks ago, and it was all out of whack. We had hose reels all over the place, curbside, driver's side. Just wasn't a very good layout for the work that we need to do here with the soft wash setup. So what we did, we moved all the hose reels to one side, put on some brand new Water Dragon hose reels there. Those are the 12-inch reels. We added a brand new pressure washer here, which is a 5.5 gallon pressure washer. We added some 12-volt pumps with our proportioner. Tanks, we've got a 16-gallon soap tank there. Back here for the pressure washer, we have 155 gallons for that 5.5 gallon pressure washer, and then we've got a 55-gallon tank for bleach. This one's almost wrapped up. We just got a couple little things to do yet to it. We're going to be adding a fuel tank over here on this shelf. And then we spin around and we've got another one that we're going to be doing the same thing to. So we got a good start on that. We've got the tanks, machines, pumps, and proportioner installed. This one does have the hose reel already. So yeah, we're taking these things apart, making them a little bit better to work out in the field for this contractor. You've got something similar here, give us a call. We can help you make it work a little bit better for you. Power Wash Store of Central PA, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.